Hi there, today I'm introducing to you the new SmartSafe CE39. SmartSafe is a leading manufacturer of EV tools. This is a great new 4-in-1 machine for EV maintenance and diagnostics. With this machine you can charge, discharge, equalize and diagnose the EV's battery. It starts of course with the right diagnosis. And for the diagnosis you use the tablets, which in this case is removable from the base. Great feature. Showing on the tablet during the diagnosis, I see the highest voltage in the cells, I see the lowest voltage in the cells, but I also see the temperatures. And at the end, in the overall report, it gives me also the state of health and the state of charge. So it's a complete diagnosed report, what you have from the EV's battery. Have you finished diagnosing and noticed that there were some cells in unbalance? Then you can use the tool to balance them back to the same level as the rest of the cells are. Lastly, this machine allows you to charge at 40 amps and discharge at 20 amps. Starting to work with the CE39, it's not always straightforward. We understand that here at Serenco, but we'll provide you with all the technical information and help you need so you can work like a professional. Did this raise your interest? And do you want to start working on EV cars in your workshop? Then the CE39 is a great machine to start with. And would you like more information about this? Contact us on the below and we'll send you all the information you require.